Hey everyone! So during my day as a circulation clerk, I have hundreds of patrons come up and ask me if we have certain items in our collection. If I find the item in question, sometimes I'll hear, "Oh, well, I looked and couldn't find it in the system." To which I'll reply, "Well, show me what you searched and I'll try to see how I can help." Sometimes patrons don't have time to stick around and listen to a tutorial. They just want to find their item and leave, and that's perfectly understandable. But when they do let me help, oftentimes the error is something simple like not filtering your search criteria to DVDs when you're looking for the Harry Potter movies instead of the books. So today I'll be teaching you how to get the best results from your searches in the Harrison County Library System catalog. The first thing you'll need to do is visit our website at harrison.lib.ms.us. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see the catalog quick search. We're going to type our search term here. So let's say we're looking for the Game of Thrones books. Since the show is so popular and everybody says the books are better than the show, we want to see what all the hype is about. We can use fantastic fiction to tell us who the author of the series is and the name of the books in the series if we don't know. So if you type in Game of Thrones into the search bar, you'll be directed to our full catalog where you can apply filters to narrow down your results. So we can go here to material type since we're looking for the books. And we're going to select book from the list, but you'll see here that you can also choose DVD, paperback, CD, or audio. So this material type filter is the most important filter to use whenever you are looking for multimedia. We're going to go ahead and click on book. And under the author field, we can select George R.R. Martin. We can do this to eliminate books that were perhaps written maybe about him by somebody else. But you'll see that we still have about 13 total results, and that's still a little bit too many. So we're going to narrow it down just a little bit more by going to the location/collection filter, and we have prior knowledge that Game of Thrones is part of the sci-fi fantasy genre, so we're going to click on adult sci-fi fantasy to narrow it down just a little bit more. And if we click on the cover art right here, this will take us to a more detailed bibliographic record of the book, including giving us the series title and the number of the book in the series. So now that we've found the first book in the series, we can see which libraries it's located at. From here we can see that the book is available at some of our libraries, but not all of them. So if we want to request it to be sent to another library for pickup, we can click on Request this item, and then you'll be directed to a screen where you can choose which library you want to pick up from. And there's also a Not Needed Before This Date option in case you want your reserve to come in after a certain date, but if you don't select a date, you'll get your reserve as soon as possible. So keep in mind that you can conduct catalog searches without a library card, but in order to put in item requests, you have to be logged into your library card account, which is why you'll see my name right here because I'm currently logged into my patron account. So the next feature I'm going to show you guys how to do is to create a list of items that you want to save for later. So maybe you're not ready to check them out or reserve them yet, but you don't want to forget what the titles are. So we're going to stick with Game of Thrones, and if you look to the right side of the cover art over here, there is a icon that says Add to Your List, and it'll take you to a drop-down menu. So I have not created any lists yet, but if you click this Create a List right here, you can name your list whatever you want. I'm gonna go with save for later. Submit. And now I have a list. And I can refer back to my list whenever I'm ready to check out the items or put them on request. Alright, so now I've taught you how to do a few important things that should help make your catalog searches more successful. Feel free to comment down below with any catalog search tips that help you. Also, for fun, give me examples of times when you helped a patron improve their catalog searching strategy. Thanks for watching and happy hunting!